Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Quick chat. This one is definitely going to be a quick chat, Adrian. Yeah, just a quick update on what's coming up, what's going on with the H, and noisy Joby over there having a drink of water. So, yeah, this weekend we have Junga Bunga No Prep Cash Days number 6. So Saturday out at Warwick, starting at about 11 o'clock. Hopefully to about 6, and then there's going to be entertainment on from 7:30, live music. Guys, I cannot implore you enough to get out to Warwick Dragway. Junga Bunga and the crew out there do a mad job. The track is absolutely unreal. The facilities are great. So make a day of it. Cruise out to Warwick. It's not that far, couple hour drive, scenic as, like, go out there, hit up Bluebirds, go and get some barbecue in Warwick itself. Cannot recommend that place enough. I love Warwick. We need to get behind it. Get some spectators out there. It's $20. Kids 13, under 13 free. There's food out there, coffee van, all that sort of stuff. Epic no prep racing. So some big tire boys. It's always a good day out. Like plenty of little skiddies and stuff like that. Plenty of fighting for traction, big horsepower cars trying to get down an unprepped track. So the track's unreal when it's prepped. It's, the lads have done a killer job. So get out there and watch it. And then if you want, make a weekend of it. So Jay-Z Nats on Sunday out at Warwick as well. We're staying out there for the weekend. I can't wait. Catch up with everyone. Have a few bevies, make a weekend of it, get a couple of videos. Yeah, it's the best. I'll probably cruise out tomorrow afternoon and do some Bluebirds for Friday night. And yeah, it's going to be awesome. And then obviously next week, Beach Fest. We're going to head up there for a couple of days. Not too sure when I'll get the H back, so probably just cruise up there for a couple of days and then decide what I do. So roll racing next Saturday night. So whether I scoot back for that, and then I've got Lakeside off-street drags on Sunday. So pretty big week coming up. Yeah, been a little bit quiet with the weather and felt a little bit off lately, so it was kind of good the weather wasn't great. I was going to go out to Warwick last weekend. They had a round of track championship and they had a test night on the Friday. If you want to see any of that footage, jump over to Junga Bunga's YouTube channel and check that out. He does a great job of capturing what he can. Obviously, he's got that, those lads have got a business to run and they run the track. So, yeah, he does what he can. I see his new rig's out, so I'm so keen to see that. So, a couple of years ago at the No Prep event, at his own No Prep event, I think it was, he crashed his Tirana hatchback. So now it's back out in a Monaro, so a late model Monaro. So I'm absolutely keen to see that. Junga Bunga lives and breathes drag racing, so he's an absolute character, great for the sport, and goes above and beyond. So yeah, jump over to his channel, check out what he's putting down, and don't forget to like and subscribe him, buy some merch. He's got some pretty sick shirts. He's also got the Turbo LS wagon, which I think's getting a new donk, so that'll be pretty interesting. And then, of course, what's going on with the H? So obviously we rebuilt the engine a little while back. I was having a couple little fuel pressure issues, so I did those 360s at Road Trip Drag Challenge, which is unreal, and I think that was on 16 pound from memory. It's tuned for 20 pound, but we're just having a little fuel drop-off issue, so the pressure is dropping off. I did have a little kink in my return line. I was -10 feed, -8 return. So I've upgraded to both -10 feed and -10 return. I just had a second-hand ProFlow dual hanger pump with two 525s in there, twin feed into single. I used to run an AI triple hanger pump with in a surge, so I've gone back to that style. I've bought the new, I think it's Tarks or Tarix, I'm not too sure. I'll do a little video once it's all together. As I said, I've been a little bit slack. So fuel system's pretty much in there, just needs a little bit of wiring, couple little hoses finished off. I've been tinkering away at the shop here and there when I've had a chance. And also the gearbox has been away. So last time at No Prep at Queensland Raceway, heard this little rotational metallic squeaky noise, and the gearbox I knew was well and truly overdue. Last time it was refreshed was 2022, I believe. So I've done 40,000 Ks on it. So yeah, a mate of mine looks after that. He just does what I need to get it back. It's not his box, so it's just a pre-bought, box I actually bought. It's out of revenge. I toasted a converter a while ago, so it got a little refresh then, and then obviously now it chewed a pump, or the oil pump was damaged, which I had noticed the temperature just started to rise in the fluid. I got that thing hot so many times. I hot lapped at one of the road trips last year, 5 runs in a row, which is absolutely idiotic, to run a gearbox. I think it was like 123, 124 degrees. So I knew that the gearbox was going to need some love. And yeah, it got in there. It also had, we ended up putting a new, everything else was pretty mint in it other than the mental blank gear set. The gear set, all the hardener had sort of come off it, and the gears were pitted. So we ended up pulling that out, putting a new gear set in it. I probably should have changed the ratio, to be honest, but I do like the way the car drives. I am going to try a 235 very, very soon. So once the car's back, I've got an old set of Pro Bracket Radial 235s to try. So very keen to see how that goes with my gearing. A lot of people don't know, like 88mm turbo, factory stroke 5.7, Power Glide 3.2 gears. So the 275 tyre, I'm doing about 155, maybe 160, depending on when I change in the RPM in first gear. So, and it's a long way down the track. I'm basically nearly at the 8th mile by the time I change into top gear. So keen to see how the 235 goes. I also picked up a set of the new XTR 255 drag radial tyres. I see now that they've been allowed into the All-Stars event that's coming up in July. So July is going to be massive, guys. We've got the 3-day event at All-Stars. There's also testing Thursday night. Willowbank testing Thursday night, Willowbank Friday, Warwick Saturday, and then back to Willowbank on Sunday for the All-Stars Drag and Drive. Going to be epic. 200 cars or 220 cars, I can't remember, entered, and then a cruise crew as well. So you can actually take your car and not enter, but you can cruise along with us, from track to track. So, come and watch the racing, jump in, cruise, get an idea what a drag and drive is without putting your car through the stresses of the racing. So great way to get involved. I'm not too sure if my code's still working, but there was a discount code for cheap entry. So if you are interested, write down a comment here say interested in Cruise Crew, or just write Cruise Crew, and I'll find out if that link's still discounted, and we'll go from there. Great way to check it out, I reckon. Like, you know, if I wasn't racing, that's probably what I'd be doing. And then the following week, so straight from there, Sunday, so Mitch is also doing All-Stars. Corey, his brother, is also hopefully doing All-Stars if he can get his car ready for it. And then Mitch and I have Road Trip Drag Challenge at Palmyra at Mackay the following weekend. So that's Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And then I've got a decision to make. So whether I want to be away from home for a very long time or just a couple of weeks. So the following week after that is Northern Nats up at Springmount Raceway, up between sort of Mareeba and Atherton. So absolutely huge event for North Queensland up there. So I'm contemplating whether I scoot up there for that. I do have another lakeside event on the Sunday. I think another lakeside off-street drags, I think it is. Or maybe it's a no prep. I'll have to check on that. I can't remember. Anyway, so maybe I might leave the car up there, fly back for that. And then on the way home, the following weekend is Kenda back at Palmyra at Mackay as well. So we'll have to see how we're going for that month, because that's going to be a mad month. And then obviously later on in the year, we've got another huge month coming up with drag and drive stuff. So we've committed to the Street Machine Drag Challenge down south. And then I think we finished Saturday, and then we have another lakeside event on the Sunday, and then we get up, and then we have Road Trip Drag Challenge at Benarabi the following weekend, so Friday, Saturday, Sunday for that one. So that's looking to be about a 7,000k round trip. And then of course later on in the year we also have Road Trip Drag Challenge at Springmount, which we'll be driving up for that. Now that's a 2,000 kilometre trip up, and we're going to make a pretty epic trip of that one. So it's probably going to be a 5,000k round trip by the time we do that one. So heaps coming up. Shout out to everyone that supports the channel. Don't forget, if you want to buy some merch, guys, hit me up. $50 a shirt, $10 postage, sticker packs, $20 posted. It really does help. As you see, there's going to be a lot of stuff coming up, and I have, had to do a lot of maintenance with the rebuild on the H, or the rebuild on the engine, freshen up on the engine, new rods, pistons, so on and so forth, the gearbox, fuel system. So yeah, if you can help out, you want to buy a shirt, buy some merch. If not, just drop a comment in the bottom in here somewhere. Tell me if you like the channel, tell me what you want to see, just write something, and share one of your favorite videos around, guys. Like, it really helps to get me out there, gets it in front of other people, helps the algorithm out, so on and so forth. And obviously the more views I get, the little bit extra cash I make. And it goes a long way. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll do a little video on the H as soon as it's ready. Cheers. Shout out to all the sponsors. Thank you so much. Don't forget, guys, support the people who are supporting me. These guys and their help allow me to get to more events and get you the footage you enjoy watching. So if you're looking for a service that they provide, hit them up. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you've made it this far, and share your favourite video around to your mates. Much appreciated, guys. Also have merch available. Link in the description. $50 a shirt, $10 postage. We'll see you on the next one.